In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find homes to buy on Zillow. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the website, Zillow.com. This is the first step in our journey to finding your dream home. Once the page loads, you'll be met with the familiar Zillow homepage. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to go ahead and set one up or simply log in if you're already a user. Having an account allows you to save your favorite listings and receive alerts on homes that match your criteria. Now, with your login complete, let's direct our attention to the top menu bar. You'll see a tab labeled Buy. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page filled with various real estate listings. They're right there at your fingertips, waiting for you to explore. You might find it a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We can refine these options to better suit what you're looking for in your next home. Next, let's take a look at how you can filter through these listings to find exactly what you need. There's a handy set of filters located at the top of the page. Here, you'll have the option to set parameters like price range, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, property type, square footage, and much more. This is your chance to specify what's most important to you in a new home. Take a moment to fill out the criteria that best describe the perfect property for you. Now that you've set your filters, the listings displayed will be tailored to your preferences. This makes the process much more efficient and manageable. But we're not quite done yet. One more option exists to help organize these listings even further. On the same filter menu, you'll see an option to sort the listings. This can be by price, from high to low or low to high, or perhaps by the newest listings first, depending on what you prefer. Selecting an order can really streamline your search, ensuring the right options are presented to you first. With your filters and order selection in place, you're now set to browse through a curated list of homes that fit your needs. Take your time reviewing the properties. Each listing provides a wealth of information, including photographs, features of the property, and in some cases, 3D virtual tours. Don't forget, you can save your favorite listings so you can easily find them later. And that's it. You now have a tailored list of potential homes waiting for you to discover. Enjoy the process, and happy house hunting on Zillow.